How we doing out there, everybody? I hope your spirits are staying high and you're staying motivated. I got another great little tip for us. I just want to work on those shoulders and the hamstrings today, right? So let's start by putting our hands on the shoulders. Bring those elbows all the way in. You're going to inhale, lift up as you pull back in those shoulders. Exhale, bring them down in front of you. Just feel like you're opening up that shoulder girdle. Feel that chest opening up. Breathe it out. Should feel really good. Do that a few times, and then we're going to take a full arm circle all the way back. Inhale and exhale, right? Second time around, we're going to add a curve in the spine. You're going to press the weight back in those heels and just roll down. Now I want you to roll all the way down as low as you can. To get all the way down there, you may have to open your legs a little bit wider, which is fine. Whatever is good for you. You're going to put your hands right above your ankles and pull your elbows in front of you. Open up those armpits. You're going to lift up in the chest. The legs are still straight, right? You get a little bit more of a stretch in the hamstring. Roll back down. Bend your knees nice and easy and roll it up. Breathe it out. I'm going to do that one more time from the profile. Hands on the shoulders. Bring those elbows all the way in. Inhale, exhale, pull them back, open up the chest. Squeeze those shoulders together in the back as those elbows get back. Lift them up nice and high. Bring them all the way forward. Take a big, big arm circle. Open it up. Breathe. And again, roll down. Curve that spine. Press the weight back in those heels. Hands right on those shins. Bring those elbows in front of you. Open up those armpits. And lift up. Feel the stretch in the back of those legs. Roll it down. Bend the knees. Nice and easy. Roll it up. Yes, that should feel really good. I hope you enjoy. I'll see you next time.